Hey, what's up people? Today we got the first hands-on video of Xiaomi Foldable smartphone. Here is look.
It's an actually hands-on video device and its look incredible. No name has confirmed for the device yet, but there's a couple of ideas such as dual flex or Mi flex.
Well, we can see from the video that the screen says look to be reasonable, large when unfold but still within hand. When both sides are folded, it become a much smaller, more manageable screen. So this could be a great for user that do watch a lot of media and want a large screen but still have something to easy to transport in their pocket. The only downside I can see from this video is if you look at the screen, it's full screen mode. We can see it does not look completely flat at the top and at the bottom. Appear to be bent slightly inward, which could be a little frustrated now. Although this not be a finished product and maybe an earlier model.
However, it does look very neatly. The screen rotation change pretty quickly when the device is turned around, but we can see it's very flat and compact.
Although a worry of course is when you are carrying it on your pocket. You now have a display on both sides, so easily can be scratched. Unfortunately, Xiaomi have give us no indication on specs, but with this being a foldable device, I could imagine it will be have more premium specs. I could expect the Snapdragon 855 along with decent RAM configurations such as 8GB and 12GB RAM. Xiaomi president claimed that the dual foldable form factor of dual flex or a Mi flex allows it to deliver a combined experience of tablet and smartphone. I like the fact that they have gone for something different, as well as Samsung have achieved most of difficult design with inside fold, but the Chinese manufacturers such as Xiaomi, Huawei and Oppo, their design are mostly on outer side. In terms of launch date and price, Xiaomi have not give us anything at all, yet the launch date is expected to this year. In terms of price, it definitely become more cheaper than Samsung Galaxy Fold M8X. So that's all guys, let me know your thought about this smartphone. I will see you next video. Till then, goodbye.